How to use your favorite movies to learn languages. We often talk about watching television to help you learn languages, but does it matter what you watch? Can you just watch anything in your target language and get better? Not really. In order to truly improve by watching movies, you must use them in a way that's effective. There's really no point in watching something you can't understand whatsoever. The main rule is that the material you watch has to be comprehensible to some extent. If you can't understand a single word, it won't help you much. Try to pay close attention to the following German scene from the Netflix show Dark.
Ich hätte dann noch ein Familienzimmer frei. Ein Wochenende mit den lieben Kleinen, die freuen sich doch, oder? Ihr Banker sitzt auf eurem Haufen Geld und denkt, ihr könnt die Leute schikanieren.
So, did you learn anything? If you don't speak German, chances are you didn't understand much. You could watch the same clip dozens of times and you wouldn't understand much more. The actress is speaking fast, and there's nothing that can visually help you. This type of material can be very helpful when you have been learning the language for a while, but it's practically useless for a beginner. That's why it's important to choose material that is somewhat comprehensible to you. The problem is that when you're first starting out, a lot of content will be totally incomprehensible. But what if you already know the story by heart? Many of us have a few of our favorite movies that we watched about 57 times as a kid. We know every line in the movie by heart, so it would be comprehensible without any sound at all. Watching that beloved movie again in the language you want to learn is one of the best things you can do. Let's take a look at a scene from Disney's Tarzan. We'll play the clip in English so you can learn the context, and then we'll play it again in German. You'll see that it makes a big difference.
I see two eyes, like mine, and a nose somewhere. Ah, here. Two ears. And let's see, what else?
Two hands?
That's right.
Now in German.
Ich sehe zwei Augen, wie meine, und eine Nase irgendwo. Ah, hier. Zwei Ohren. Mal sehen, was noch?
Zwei Hände?
Richtig.
Did you understand a few German words in that scene? The best thing is that if you watch it again, you'll understand a bit more each time. You first had that English exposure, and the scene has a number of visual cues to help you understand. As you can see, the type of material you watch does matter a lot. If you watch your favorite movies a few times in your target language, you will learn lots of new words every time you watch them. If you know the movie really well, you can even listen to only the audio while driving to work or while walking the dog. Just keep the complicated dramas for later. When you're more advanced in the language, a whole area of new movies will become effective for language learning. In the meantime, you have an excuse to watch all those childhood movies again. Have fun learning languages with your favorite movies. If you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up. For more language learning, check out our website at weknow.com. That's OUINO.com. Thanks.